Hey guys, back. I want to show this surprise, and there's a lot of people on my channel. People enjoying this view. Hey, Kishi. Oh, you heard me! I don't know what to call you. We just got to purchase today. It's a girl, actually, and there's a boy over there. Come here, come on. No, stop. No, don't stop. Don't stop. Blackie! Let go, Blackie! It's a horrible name. Let me go. Don't stop. Stop licking me. Stop. Stop grabbing my hand. Okay. Blackie! Who's a good boy? Come here. Come here, I swear to God if you don't come. Come here. Man, I'm just gonna be right here making a view. Blackie! Blackie! Oh. Look up this camera. Blackie! Where are you? Are you hiding? Where's Jessa here? No, what is this camera? Oh God, no. Stop. Why are you looking there? Stop looking. Are you looking at this camera? I'm not kidding. It's not that. Are you looking at this tablet? Say hi. Oh, there you are. Okay, so hi, little lovebirds. I know you. I'm just kidding. You're not. They're not lovebirds yet. But I want you in too. You're relaxing. Hey, Black. What are you doing? Calm down. Stop. He's more love me. He loves doing this to me. Stop. Stop. Oh, what did I just hear that? Oh, you guys are cute. Come here. You're so cute. Did you just lick the camera? I mean, not the camera, the tablet. While you lick the tablet, defense now. Now. Never mind. Give me evidence why you did this. Why you did that. He's like a J. I don't know. I don't want to go in the back. And there's a lot of rough things. I'm going to show you the 1940s or 45s car. Maybe. Probably there's a music coming there. This is a rusted. Okay, be right back. Alright, someone passed by. I don't want them to know I'm recording. Look at this car. It's old. Really old. Well, I was about to open the door because I know there's stuff. Well, we can get closer. What? Stop making me fall. Alright. Look inside of it. This is like the old windows, like everything here. Should I open the door? Should I? Because this is actually, who bought me this? It's free car. Free, dusty, rusted car. Don't get hit. Don't get hit. Okay, stopped. It's a rusty spider, please. Don't peer. Huh. Come on. Up this car. I know who bought it. I don't know how much it cost. I forgot. I haven't asked my daddy. It was raining. What's that? Alright. If I see someone who wants to be in my car, I'm gonna give her the mad. Like, really, man. And there's a rip. Oh, we pure my car, bitch. What did that say? Look at there. You can't see it, but this says we got Doden. What was that? Okay, so that's my neighbor's car. I'm sorry, I'm not good at not closing doors. And a rusty pig. And how about you guys? Huh? You too? You guys are perfectly fine in your cages. Fine. Really fine. Alright. Oh, you are delicious. No answers? No answers? I've been here for nothing. Hi, little birdie. Hi. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give it a like if you want to know my school. I'm just kidding. I don't want you guys to know my school. I don't want you guys to know the decoration. Always. Oh, the cars are coming back. But look at all these decorations. Ooh, these are my favorite decorations. I love it. I love decorations. I love decorations. I love decorations too. They're Christmas. Oh, they're Christmas lights. Ah. And it's actually a real candle, or this is a fake candle. Okay, a fake candle. But this is really beautiful. Really nice. My mom's good at decorating. Stop right there. No, you guys stopped. Stop right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. What is that doing in my car? I bet this camera's gonna be dead. Hello. Bye. I don't need you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think that's my tattoo. Don't ask me. Hope you guys give it a like, subscribe. Or nothing like that. Nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just doing nothing. I'm totally not looking at the cages. Totally not. Let me take a picture of you. You want to hard drive? Regret it. Mannequin challenge? Seriously? You're doing the mannequin? Stop moving. It's supposed to be a mannequin. Stop moving. This needs to be a mannequin challenge, alright? Mannequin challenge. Mannequin. Stop moving there. Mannequin challenge. Ducks. Always do this. Stop moving. You were the one of the birds went to that chicken cage? I know. The video, goodbye now. Okay, I'm still recording. Bye.